there are 5 daily habits every business owner needs to scale up. So listen carefully, listen till the end. I'll share with you 5 different areas where I feel it's very important for any business owner to focus on and to scale up. Because every person is different. If I'll tell you that, you might not like it. I'll tell you read and you tell me I'm dyslexic. So it needs to be something more general, something that you have a clear understanding why is it important, and you find the habit with that bigger picture. The segment number 1, it's called growth. And with growth, it means spend at least 10 to 15 minutes every day doing something for your personal growth, for your self-development. It could be reading, it could be training, it could be online courses, in-person courses, it can be speaking with your coach, having accountability partner, it could be anything which help you to grow as a person. So now you just need to list of things what you could be doing every day for 10-15 minutes. Don't overthink it. Something which will bring you the value. I really like books, so I would read at least 10-15 minutes or listen an audiobook in my car to help me to self-develop, or it can be YouTube videos like this one. If there is something which will help you to grow, do it. The second area, it's energy. And when it comes to energy, it could be health habits, it could be exercising, creating a daily routine for yourself. Again, I cannot tell you do 10 push-ups every day because this is gonna really help you. It needs to be you, it needs to come within you. So whatever it is, I'll just share my daily habits. I like to go for a walk. I like to do some breathing exercises. I like to do some exercise which will help with my body. And this really gives me the energy to move forward with the day. So it could be anything for you. It can be 10 minutes, can be 15 minutes, can be full hour. Maybe you like to go to gym and maybe this is your exercise, how you grow, how you will develop, because mind and body is connected. So energy. The area number 3, what I feel like it's very important to focus on, is vision. As a business owner, it's very important that you have a vision into the future. But how does it play with building habits, having a vision? So for example, I'll share it on my vision. So I can just relate to me. Let's say I want to impact more people. I want to go on a stage and I want to speak. So that's my vision. I want to help more people. What I can do today in order to do that, and I know I can do social media and I can do go networking events and I can do all of that. Yes, that's true. But what else I can do? I can be developing myself. Let's say, what skills do I need in order to be a speaker on stage? I need to practice my voice. I need to practice how I'll be presenting myself on the stage. I need to practice my speech. There is a lot of things. So what skill you can be focusing every single day, which is gonna help you to move you closer to your vision? Because you have that vision what you want to do, but what can you every day for 5-10 minutes, which will help you to move closer to that vision? Because every vision has some steps in order to accomplish it. You will know those steps, because if you know your vision, you know which steps they are. So why wait? Why wait? Why not to start focusing on that daily, every single day for 5-10 minutes? Because if you do it until the end, you'll be overwhelmed because it'll be too much of the task. If I would wait one day before the event, what I'll be speaking about, how I'll be presenting, and how it's gonna be my voice, it's gonna be too late. I'll be overwhelmed and that'll not gonna go real well. Number 4 area, it's a me time. Spend at least 10 minutes a day, something to do for yourself. And I mean really for yourself. What can you do which you really enjoy, which you really love? I already told you before, I have this piano over here and I'm learning every day for 10-15 minutes to play on that piano. It has really nothing to do with building my business. I'm not planning to play on a piano on stage. It's nothing to do with that. I just do it because I love to doing that. I want to progress in something which is for me as a person, and at the moment it's learning how to play piano. So I am sure I'll take every day at least 10 minutes and I do that, and I take that time for myself. Because let me tell you something, if you don't have 10 minutes for yourself a day, you don't have a life. I'm sorry. And number 5 area, it's gratitude. Because we often chase this business, we want to do things, and sometimes we feel like, this didn't work, and we didn't close that client, we didn't sell those products, and I'm really trying hard. And let me tell you something, I was there and I'm still there. Sometimes, I feel like, this is gonna be a great client, these courses will be selling amazing, and after nothing happens, and I could feel down and I could feel negative about myself because I put so much effort into it and nothing is happening. I could do that, or I could also do something different. I can be grateful for everything what is happening good in my life, that I have 3 amazing daughters and a wife. I can be grateful that I live in a beautiful place. I can be grateful that I'm healthy. And when you are grateful, you are not fearful. So if you ever, as a business owner, feel that something is not going your way and life is throwing you rocks in front of you and you are just kicking them and you cannot move anywhere, you feel that way, practice gratitude every day. And I do it every day. Before I close my eyes, I'm always grateful for the things which are happening in my life, which are amazing. And I'm very happy be in this position, being grateful. So there'll be 5 steps, 5 things how to build habits and how every successful business owner should do that, focusing on those 5 areas. And again, I cannot tell you what the habits exactly are for you, but I can tell you what are there for me, and I can tell you which areas I'm focusing on because I see very important power in them. If you would like to get in touch with me, if you would like to speak, if you have any comments you want to ask regarding those 5 areas, feel free to comment, feel free to book a free strategy call with me, and I'm looking forward to hear from you. And definitely click the like and subscribe button so you can see more of those videos because I have more to come. Have a great day.